Hi guys, welcome to Technical Mathvbn channel. In this video, we will do this integration questions, pre-calculus, basic concept of integration, basic calculus, and integration sign x raised to dx. And I will show you how to do integration of basic functions. So start it. Integration sign x square dx. Ignore the power of x, it will be x. Just ignore the power. Derivative, take d over dx. D over dx of this is 1. So see that if the derivative of this function after ignoring the power is ahead, x square, you can write this and x. You can see that derivative of this x is 1 and this is next to the x. After ignoring the power, you just write x square plus 1, power plus 1. The same rule apply over on fraction plus c 2 plus 1. And how this is we find, I will write the formula over here. X raised 3 over 3 plus c, and the formula of x raised n dx, integration of this is n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So this is the formula. With the help of this, we will find all these integrals like this x square and all other integrals that is in this situation, in this form, we can find with this formula. So this is the simplest way to solve the integration. And thank you for watching this video.